take hair from. So take hair like this, and this is really simple. Just watch carefully and you will get the very easy and quick hairstyle and very cute hairstyle for especially today. So you have to make 3 partition of hair, and you have to make a very simple daily bread which every girl knows. I know that. So you have to make a very simple bread like this. Make bread till your ends. As you can see how easy this is, and now I will show you how cutie hairstyle this is. So just keep watching. So you have the rest and like this. Watch this part very carefully, guys. So take both the ends one side and one end at the another side, okay, and you have to hold them 2 sides very tightly and pull the another side like this, and now you have to be adjust them. And now you can fix this with clips, whatever clip do you want, this clip or Barbie clip, whatever clip do you want you can use, but I thought this looks very cute. I'm using this clip. So as you can see how cute this hairstyle, and this takes no time, as you can see, guys, like this. And you can do this the same process at your another side, or if you want you can leave only, or if you want you can do it only one side. If you want you can do it for your both side, and after that whatever look you want to give yourself you can do. I personally love to do this bread for only one side. I don't like to do for both sides, but yes, sometimes I leave my hairs like open like this. So as you can see how beautiful and how cutie hairstyle this is, and this is not enough hair. You can make it more and more, like you can make bread both of your side, and if you want to be one sided then it's good. And sometimes if you want to leave your hair like this you can leave, or if you want to rough hair one but it looks cute like this, you can make it like rough hair bun. And if you want you can make a bread also. Yes, now this is the time when I show you how I dressed up myself to. I love watches. I am completely watch person. This is my watch. So yes, and also I am a bracelet person since I don't know when. I think since my childhood I am a bracelet person, guys. So yes, so this is my so cutie bracelet. Yes, so now I'll show you how I dressed up. So I wore this red dress. This is red short bodycon dress which I got from Myntra, and along with that, because it's cold so we cannot wear it alone, so we have to pair this with stockings or any jacket which goes very perfect with your dress. You should have to wear same things. So I will show you. I wore this red dress, plus I wore stockings, and plus I have a jacket, black jacket. All three will goes perfect for my this Valentine Day. So yes guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy my makeup look, you have enjoyed my hairstyle, I hope you enjoy my dressing. I hope you guys inspired a little bit with my this video, and I hope guys you enjoy this video because I enjoyed when I did this. So yes guys, happy Valentine Day to all of you. Be happy, be love to yourself, and yes, be confident, be happy, live happy. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy, and take care. Bye guys.